Hey guys, what's up? I'm Akizzy. Welcome back with another video. And today we are going to be talking about the new Zest Achilles with 48 damn modes. We're talking about 48 damn modes, and today we are going to be talking about this bay. We're going to be doing the review of this bay. Without further ado, guys, let's get right into it. So guys, today we're going to be talking about the new Zest Achilles. So this Beyblade is the newest Beyblade. It comes with the new booster pack. I mean, not the booster pack, it's the customized pack with two Beyblades. One is with Chain Phoenix, and the other one is the Scyther thing. That Scyther Beyblade. I forgot its name. So yeah. So this is the thing, and it comes with two discs and two tips. So effectively, you can only make one combo out of it. So the other two bays are just extra layers. The other two layers are just there, like that, and then the two tips are just there like that. By the way, you can just make like a Kirby's combo if you want, because you have the Kirby's and you also have the Kirby's chip, the Kirby's layer, and you have the Kirby's disc, so you can effectively make a Kirby's layer. And you can use the Never Metal Driver as the tip for it, and it will work as a Kirby's Beyblade. But yeah, you can only make two bays out of this, and the other one is just a left out. Sad life, but yeah, that's it. Now let's talk about this the set. As I said, it comes with the three bays. It also comes with the left and right spinning mover thing, the changer thing. That is technically the launcher, the ripcord launcher of the Spriggan. It's the Spriggan ripcord launcher, the one that can be removed and can be twisted. That thing, that's what it is. So that white thing you see here is the Spriggan ripcord launcher, and it is used to change the mode of the Beyblade from left spin to right spin. So that's what it is. As you can see here, a clear look of what is there, the components and the things that are there in the set. And this is the Never driver, as you can see. The new Never metal driver, which is a metal version of it. You can give it to a Ragnarok. And as you can see here, this is the new gear, Achilles gear, which is the A gear. We'll talk about that later. It's like, having two modes. One is like 6-bladed mode and the other is like 3-bladed mode. So it is technically the Hell Salamander thing for for the new Belial. So yeah. And this is new Achilles here. It looks so beautiful. It actually has a lot of references, and I really like it. As you can see, that Z thing written on it, the sticker is Z, and also it has so many inherited features from all the other Achilles. So the sword actually is the sword, as you can see here, is so similar to the GT version of the Bay. The center part has a similarity with the Classic and the GT again. And this part, the top where the Z is written, it's exactly like the Z Achilles thing. So the Z Achilles defense blade part. So yeah, that's very cool, and it really inherits all the features of Achilles. So that's very nice. And this is the part sideways, so side view. It looks very nice and has that Spriggan thing to it. Because one thing I want to say, this Beyblade should not be Achilles Beyblade. This should be Spriggan V2 version 2. So if Spriggan is gonna come in this new generation, the BU generation, like the ultimate Spriggan, it has to have at least 64 modes, which can at least outbeat the Achilles here. So that's one thing that I have to say. Now let's go to the disc. The disc is very different. It's circular and it's actually very smooth, which is one of the cool things about the disc. And has like a different style of the disc thing. It kind of reminds me of the Levin disc from the Beyblade Burst Evolution. Beyblade Burst Chozetsu, and it is just pretty light. The Levin disc is pretty light, so I feel this one will also be somewhat light. So yeah, as you can see here, this is the Quattro driver. It's just Quattro Dash, which we needed. Anyways, we needed that, which is a very powerful driver. Quattro is literally 4 modes. All the modes: defense, stamina, attack, balance. So we definitely need a Quattro Dash, and that's a good deal. So yeah, and this new weight, as you can see here, the ability is that it has equal weight distribution in both sides, and it has like a sword-like thing to it. I don't know what it means, but it has that equal balance, equal weight balance. So yeah. And as you can see here, this is how you actually change the modes to left and right spin for the chip. So yeah. And now let's look at the frame thing that they have given us. This is the thing that's game changer. So as you can see here, this is the upper attack. This is the upper mode, which is where the frame like thing goes on top, and so this acts as the upper mode. And the other situation for the right spin, we're talking about right spin version of the Achilles. So this is when Achilles is in right spin. So in right spin itself, it has the upper mode, and it has a lower mode, which is which the blue color thing has an upper mode and a lower mode. So upper and a lower mode at right spin. And so that's what it is. And the upper mode is the attack mode and the lower mode is the defense mode. Now we'll talk about the number of modes that it has. So this is just a quick overview of what it has, the three things. So it has the basic mode, which is the speed mode, then the upper, where the ring thing fits on top, that is the attack mode, and the lower one, which when it sticks down, it's the defense mode. So it has three modes on right spin itself. And so you have to count the left spin of it. So you have to multiply it by 2. You'll get 6. So you get 6 modes. And again, you have to multiply by 2 because of high and low mode. You're getting 12, and you have to multiply by 4 for the quattro driver. So you're getting 48. So that is so many modes. This is the summary. So first it has the 3 main modes, then the left spin and right spin, and then you have the high and low mode, and finally the 4 modes on the tip, which is insane. I'm just shocked that it has 48 freaking modes, and how they pulled it off, that is like awesome. So yeah, now we're gonna be talking about the A gear, so the Achilles gear. And in the Achilles gear, the thing is, it is just Hell Salamander. The thing with Hell Salamander is that it has 5 attack blades, and then it turns into 6 to become more defensive. Here's the same idea. It has 3 attack blades when it's in the attack mode, and then it changes into 6 attack blades. The thing is, in 3 attack blades, it will be so powerful. The attack will be double attack because you're gonna, include the upper part and lower part, so it'll be very powerful. And then when you make it into the 6 bladed, it will be more passive and more defensive. So that is what it is. It is technically a medium level gear. It's not as good as the Fafnir gear. Definitely not as good as the Fafnir gear, because Fafnir gear has the rubber stuff, which makes it, drain a little bit of spin. But yeah, overall, it's okay, it's good. And this is how it looks when it's in defense mode. And yeah, this is like a full summary of how it looks. This is the attack mode, and this is the defense mode. And as you can see, the defense parts, they pop up. And so that's where it is, guys. That's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hit that subscribe button if you're new here. I'm going to be unboxing this Beyblade pretty soon. I'm going to get this guy for sure, no doubt, along with Excalibur. So see you guys next time. Bye-bye.